17 of the best keto bread recipes. You won't believe these breads are keto. First one, low carb cinnamon roll loaf. Easy keto zucchini bread. Savory jalapeno cornbread. All recipe links can be found in the description. Low carb keto garlic bread rolls. Easy keto blueberry bread. Best tasting keto high fiber bread. Keto naan bread. Keto low carb coconut flour bread. The easiest keto bread recipe. Low carb keto bread. A delicious savory keto bread recipe. Keto garlic knots. Keto low carb cheesy bread recipe. Easy keto bagels. All recipe links can be found in the description. Keto cloud bread recipe. The best keto low carb bread. Easy keto pumpkin bread. And finally, the 90-second keto mug bread. Hope you enjoyed these recipes. Hit that like button. All the recipe links are in the description. Subscribe for more delicious recipes.